Salamat, balita. Tata, pagkasugang na. Dapat nag-ijaya ito, pero sigad, no? Oo. Motor, may paano ko madali. Balita. Kaya mo rin papata. Kaya mo rin partidaro. Bad, sakay bad. Sakay. Sakay, late na ta. Salamat, Mads. Sige, Mads.
Advantages: affordability. Tricycles are generally cheaper than other modes of transportation. This makes them accessible to a wide range of people, including those with lower incomes. Flexibility. Tricycles can navigate through narrow streets and alleys, making them ideal for transportation in congested urban areas where larger vehicles cannot easily pass through. Job opportunities. Tricycle driving is a common occupation in the Philippines, providing employment opportunities for many peoples. Job opportunities. Tricycle driving is a common occupation in the Philippines, providing employment opportunities for many people, especially those in rural areas. Disadvantages. Safety concerns. Tricycles are relatively small and have limited protection for passengers, which can increase the risk of accidents. Environmental impact. Tricycles are often powered by gasoline or diesel engines, which contribute to air pollution and environmental degradation. Limited seating capacity. Tricycles typically have a limited seating capacity, which can be problematic during peak hours.
Okay class, I will give you your final project today. Make an essay about political issues in the Philippines and must be printed. Okay class, dismiss.
Tapos ka na ba sa essay natin? Wala pa. Tara, punta tayo sa medical shop. Punta tayo. Let's go.
Printer is a hardware device that is used to get a hard copy of a document or a file. It is used for getting a printout of an important document, make project in school or colleges, print books, print a hard copy of a presentation of a business or a company. The advantage of the printer is that it is convenient for us because many people can use one printer, and that is significant cost saving compared to each people need his or her own printer. It is also much simpler to deploy printer solution since you will be dealing with one or two printer for many people. On the other hand, the disadvantage of the printer is that when it comes to troubleshooting, when there are some screw up on one machine and install printer and break one, it is going to be difficult to identify it at initially since you will likely have people reporting problem at the same time. Printer is not working and you have to figure out where was the problem originated, which often takes time to defend on one problem.
Bad, bukas pa ba yung room?
Siguro, Bads.
May load ka ba?
Meron.
Pwede pera? Tatawagan ko muna si Lamela.
Hello, Bads Juban? Oo, nandito yung notebook mo. Naiwan mo kasi sa room. Ibibigay ko na lang mamaya. Sige. Bads ko, notebook mo. Naiwan mo kanina.
Salamat, Buds. These are the advantages of a mobile phone. Number 1. Students use smartphones to browse internet and to find material regarding their studies. Number 2. Students send and receive documents and make their assignment using smartphones. Number 3. Mobile phones connect them with the world. They know the current issue of the world and remain up to date. Number 4. Mobile phones have become a good source of entertainment. We can watch movies and TV news, listen to music and play video games on their mobile phones. Number 5. Mobile phones are an excellent way to organize your finances. You can check your account, balance, transfer money, and pay bills all with just few clicks. These are the disadvantages of the mobile phones. Number 1. These days, one of the major concerns is losing one's privacy through mobile usage. Now, anyone could easily access all the important related to you with just one tap. Number 2. Smartphones are wasted of time. Students kill their precious time using smartphones. Either they play games, watch movies, and listen much, which waste their precious time. Number 3. New generation and the youngster have become habitual by using smartphones while driving. On busy road, using earplugs and listening to music sometimes result in accidents. Number 4. Students get involved in unwanted things through mobile phones which destroy their moral values. Number 5. Students have become addicted to watch porns, videos which advertisely affect their minds and their behavior. Porn videos make them react violently and they get involved in sexual activities. And those are the advantages and disadvantages of the mobile phones.
Init. Kinsan ko.
We're here to discuss about the electric fan. What is the electric fan and the advantage of the electric fan and disadvantage? Okay, what is the electric fan? The electric fan was one of the most important electric invention of all times. The fan is a building block of other or more advanced technologies. A fan is a powerful machine used to create a flow of air. A fan consists of rotating arrangement of bands, blades generally made of wood, plastic, or metal, which on act of air. The rotating assembly of blades and hub is known as a impeller. rotor, and runner. And now, we proceed the advantage of the electric fan. The advantage of the electric fan is increased engine cooling and improved air conditioning cooling at aid when it is most needed. In addition, placing an engine-driven fan can increase horsepower and improve fuel economy as the engine drag from turning the fan is eliminated. And now, we proceed the disadvantage of the electric fan. Fan can circulate dust and falling in the air, which may trigger allergies in some people. The fan blades themselves are another unwelcome source of dust. If you inhale these allergies, you could experience symptoms such as runny nose, itchy tooth, graining, water eyes, or breathing difficulties.
Di class, di ba magklase? The class, the difference between J and pressure is J is less than 3 years and the pressure is 3 years and above. So class is there is power interaction. Class dismiss. Yay! Yay!
Advantages: energy efficient. Fluorescent lights use 75% less energy than incandescent bulbs, which can result in significant savings on energy bills. Long-lasting. Fluorescent bulbs can last up to 10 times longer than incandescent bulbs, which reduces the frequency of bulb replacement and lowers maintenance costs. Environmentally friendly. Fluorescent lights produce less heat and use less energy, which reduces greenhouse gas emissions and helps to protect the environment. Disadvantages: mercury content. Fluorescent bulbs contain a small amount of mercury, which is a toxic substance. This means that special precautions need to be taken when disposing of them, and they should not be used in areas where they may be easily broken.